If you are a video creator and you've stumbled across this video, you're in luck because I'm giving away free premium accounts to the first 5 people who sign up and use the app. Make sure you flick me a message or a comment and I'll make sure that your account is eligible for the premium, and that's for lifetime. So you've nothing to lose. Watch to the end of the video and I'll explain exactly how it works. It's Tuesday again, and Tuesdays and Thursdays I get the time to work on some of my other projects outside of Speedy Productions. So today, 2 goals that I need to get done today. By the end of the day, ClipNotesPro, as I call it, that's going to be completely finished. So what still needs to be done there is I need to create the paid side of the app. So I want to offer video creators the ability to remove the branding. So when they upload a video and share it for review, they can upload their own company logo, business logo. Then that won't show the ClipNotesPro. Obviously, it'd be great if I didn't have to charge anything for being able to do these extra things. There's a bunch of other stuff that will also be part of the paid, but really storage is going to become expensive because potentially you could have hundreds or thousands of people uploading their photos for profile images, and that will start costing if I need to store hundreds or thousands of these images. The other thing is that I'm going to offer unlimited number of reviews. So if you are on the paid plan, which is significantly cheaper than all the alternatives out there, is just being able to upload unlimited reviews. So you don't have to worry about, there's a monthly quota and blah, blah, on the free plan, where there is on the free plan, because I also need to manage my ins and outs with the API with Supabase, so it doesn't start costing me an arm and a leg. Just have a coffee here, cold because I didn't warm the milk. And then the other thing today I need to get done is we've already got a few users on the platform, which is great. It's cool to see people use it already, but I want to grow that user base significantly. So I'm going to create a couple of ads. Then Thursday I can run the paid ads, and that'll be good. So I better get stuck in because it is way too late. So as part of working on the subscription side of the platform, I'm currently trying to implement Stripe's subscription management. So you can directly call Stripe's API to direct the user to their managed subscription page. So that's a much better way of doing it than adding a cancel subscription button, and when they press it, cancels their subscription, and that's all the user says. I mean, I suppose I could create a custom page for each user, so when they click manage subscription, it takes them to this, beautiful page, custom built, but just saving time, and people know, okay, well, it is managed by Stripe. They know that when they sign up, so it'd just be easier. I mean, for reliability and also trustability, people go, okay, well, it is subscribed and it is unsubscribed. Personally, anyway, that would seem more credible to me. So we're working on that at the moment. I don't know if you can see this, but down the bottom here, it's going to have managed subscription, which you can't see, but managed subscription. It tells you how many videos you've created this month. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go have a look for yourself. Sign up, create a free account. It's not going to cost you anything. Have a look for yourself. So no, it's going well. We're getting there. And then the next part is adding the ability to upload your branding. So your custom branding. If you're subscribed, you can remove the ClipNotesPro branding, have your own, and it looks like it's your app. No one is none the wiser. So, yep, that's the next step. All right. So it is about an hour later, and I've been able to add the custom branding. Users now can manage their subscriptions, and the settings component, the page, has just been updated, and I've just tweaked a little bit. The spacing and sizing looks a bit better. So why don't I just show you around what the app looks like at the moment and some of the functionality, and then yeah, we can go from there. And I know there's a couple other things I wanted to change today, But once that's done, then we'll get on to creating some ads. So that'll be good. All right, cool. Now that you can see the screen, I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see when you load the web page. So the web domain is clipnotespro.net. So I'll jump on there if you want to have a look yourself. You'll be greeted by this home page. Here, get started, download. Currently, you can download on Windows, which is great if you want to host a local version. So some of the features are you can draw directly onto the videos, which is great because often you'll have sections where the client's like, this is exactly what I mean. This section here. Draw there, add a comment, boom. Easy for you to find and understand what they're thinking. I'll walk you through this in a moment because what's unique is you have a custom review page for your client. So it's not the same one that you see, but you can sort of, customize it with your own branding. So powerful features. We've got some team collaboration, a feature that's coming soon. Not something that will be out on 1.0, but be out shortly, which would be a great way for you to work with your teammates. Frequently asked questions, you can go through those. So let's go and get started. So you obviously wouldn't want to sign up. I've already got an account, so we'll sign in. Boom. This is going to be your dashboard. So you're going to get very familiar with this page. This is where you can see all the ins and outs and the goings of your account. How many videos you've uploaded, how many comments, pending and completed. These are controlled by you, not the client. So you can go, all right, these are completed. I've approved these. I've seen them. I will get to it and it's complete. So great. Let's go and add a video. The way it's set up is it's best to use public or unlisted videos. So obviously you're going to have them unlisted if they're drafts. Boom, pop it in. Here's your video. Obviously, you can see your comments section. So when comments are made, they appear here. This is where you comment. Now, bear in mind, this is for you, not for the client. Okay, this is your side. So when you are going and making changes on your draft, this is where you can come and see them yourself. You can also add your own comments. You can reply to your client's comments and go, oh, well, how about this? Or did you see this part? Blah, blah, blah. What we're going to do is go back to the library. Okay, this is where you see all your videos. So you can change the name. Great. Approve the name. See, it's changed there. So now, if you click review, it's going to take you back to this page. This is your page. Instead, what we want to do is go here. This is the share. This is going to take you to this page, which is super useful because you click here to copy your link. Now, when you input this link, this is what your client will receive. Okay, you send this on to your client so that they have their own access. Before we go to there, you can password protect, which I highly recommend. May even change this to default. Allow comments. You can add an expiry date. So let's say it's for a client who only needs access for a few days. You can do that here. Easily email them, view the preview. Let's go ahead and copy that, pop it into a new browser as if we'd sent it to a client. Now, when they click the link, this isn't going to be filled. So this is what they're going to see, the name of the video. So basically, your client just needs to add their name. So let's go client 1 and start reviewing. Now, this is the page that they're going to see. Okay, it looks a little bit different. The sizing is the same because that's important with the annotations. When they input their name, you can see at the top here, this is where their name's going to show up. Just a light reminder that they are the ones commenting. Yeah, so custom branding is an option now. If you'd like to add custom branding, you can. Bear in mind, this is a premium feature. Anyway, so let's add a comment. Great start. Let's go, great start. We'll add a comment. Boom. Shows up here in your comments. This is a great little button because this takes you exactly to that point. So let's say we want to add something here. So we'll click in and change the point. It automatically pauses, which is great if you already paused the video. And let's add some annotations. So to enable them, there's this little toggle here. You can select from a bunch of tools. Let's just circle this. Let's say that section there. I want them to remove it because blah, 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 blah. So let's say, please, can't spell, Please remove this chimney. It's not something we want to show off. Thanks. And comment. Now what happens is when they watch this video, they're able to make these annotations, but they show up for you as well. So if we go back to our previous page, our home page, and we'll go to library, refresh the page, boom. Now you can see a project. Oh, great. We've got 2 comments. So we click on that and bam, there's your client's comments. So if you want to approve them, you can. They're currently in a state of pending. If you click this section here, this takes you to exactly where they created those comments. So let's go to 244. See, now it shows exactly where that point was. I can see the circle. Great. I've removed it. I'll click approved. And we're good to go. We'll improve this one as well. And this is great. So we go back to our library and you can see it's got a few comments, how many comments it's got. You can also delete the video. So we can go ahead, delete, just a little disclaimer, because bear in mind when you do delete it off here, it does actually remove it from the database. So I cannot get it back for you, so please be careful. There's a pricing page, settings page, contact page. We go to settings. If you are subscribed to the premium, you are able to add your custom branding. So that means in this page here, this section here, or anything that says ClipNotesPro is just removed. It doesn't show up because you see normally it shows the logo here with ClipNotesPro. If you're a working professional, you might not want that. So I'm giving that ability to you. So the other features, adding company studio name, email address, contact us if you want to change it, some app preferences, and also you can manage your plan from here. So it shows you how many videos this month you've got, how many comments, just keeping track of your usage, nothing too fancy, and you're able to manage your subscription. So if you click on here, take you through to Stripe, which is currently managing the payment system on this platform, and you're able to subscribe, unsubscribe. When you do, this here will update and will tell you if you are still subscribed, when it expired, and if you aren't subscribed already, obviously the button changes to sign up, subscribe. Anyway, contact if you need to get hold of the team. So yeah, this is the platform, and I'm really excited to share it with my fellow creators because this is something that I've been looking for a long time. And in that journey of searching for the right product, I just decided to rather build my own because then I have full control of exactly what it looks like, how it functions, security behind it. And I'm looking forward to working with this product with my clients, and I'm really excited on how this will improve my clients' experience with the business. So again, if you'd like to give it a go, go for it. Currently, the first 5 people who sign up, comment or send me a direct message, and we'll make sure we get you free premium for life. So yeah, but there's plenty more to come, lots of other things to work on here. Obviously, if you have suggestions, features that you would love to see in the platform, then please reach out. I'd love to make this perfect for my needs, but also if it can help you out too, that's great.